guys, what's going on? It's me, I'm coming at you guys with another video. The first of 1, 2, 3 videos today.
Right, hang on, Edward. We get over this road.
One's
then.
where I'm.
Come here, Edward.
Where I'm. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. Now I've crossed the road.
Come on.
While we're here, we might as well tell the viewers some stories. Mum, tell them a story about me when I was
Come here.
little.
Dog.
Tell them a story.
Oh no, thanks. Let's just get over this road first. Come here.
So once I was like, why?
Wait.
That's what I've always wondered. Why?
Right, Evan, just concentrate while we get over here, yeah?
I'm recording a video.
Yeah, maybe you're out, but we're crossing the road, mate. That's it. Over you go. Go on, quick.
I've always wondered why
You're safe now.
hot dogs were called hot dogs. They look nothing like dogs. They look nothing like marigolds. Say hi, Mum, by the way.
Hi, Mum.
Say hi to the viewers.
Hi to the viewers.
Oh, say hi.
Hi to the viewers.
Say hi.
Hi.
Describe to the viewers about yourself.
I'm a mole.
Yeah.
Athletic.
Yeah.
Funny.
No.
Oh, I'm not, thanks. Right, charming. Right, down here, Edward. Yeah?
What else are you?
You want to go down that way? You can if you like, for a
Yeah.
change.
Yeah. I've never actually been here, by the way, guys.
That way, yeah, you have. We've been down here alone.
Hi. Ah! So this is the video.
Marigolds like to sit down this foot, you know. Just rabbits, isn't it, marigolds?
Don't you get to know a little bit more about me?
Hey, look, it's that nickel tree up. Come on.
This is the one video where I don't have to copyright anyone.
Wonder what they are.
Give anyone copyright. Apples.
Oh, the little eating apples. Do you want one? I haven't eaten. Come on, come on.
They're apples, but for the hashtag bunny, I'll take this one. Good one.
Try it.
Ugh. I accidentally ate the spit. The spit, look.
We're a bit sour
Just
then.
a sec.
Hey, yeah, you know what we will have to do? Remember that there for when they're fully grown, because they are lovely. They'll be lovely eating apples. Oh, they'll be lovely eating apples, won't they?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I just ate a sour apple.
Wasn't sour.
I just
It's
ate.
not right, it just needed to be, them holes there, you know what they're off?
What?
I think they're off rats, you know. Aren't they? Do you reckon they won't be rabbit holes?
What does schizophrenic mean?
It means that we've got a mental health problem. Oh no, you can't get through anymore, I don't think. Have a look, come here, dog.
Speaking of skits,
What?
I'm going to be making my very own skits on the third
Right,
video.
you can't get through anymore, we'll have to walk it down. I thought you could, silly mummy.
That'll include comedy.
What's the volley,
Comedy. And there'll be a Christmas special. More about that one day. I live stream, but I don't have any internet. We're lost, aren't we?
I thought you could get round there, that was all.
What if we do get lost?
Well, we won't, not yet. It's near our house, isn't it?
Imagine if we did get lost, I could do a YouTube video
They're
it.
going to be shouting, believe me.
Why?
Somebody can't come because I can shout the other person around me.
What?
I can shout and scream that way until someone found me. That's what I must do. They'd be like, oh my God, just go and get away again.
Let's go in there.
Oh yeah.
Why?
Work. They'd love us.
Looks like it's closed.
Well, it's today 'cause it's Sunday.
Why can't we buy there and make it our own company?
You know what, we'll just go I know
What?
we've got one now anyway, unfortunately.
What's that?
Do you not think it'd be cool if we had like a bowling alley there?
Yeah.
Or a play centre, something like that. Do you
Yeah.
reckon?
But we have all of the above in Aycliffe.
I know that's the only thing. Yeah, I know, but the deer and also always picked out what husband might get first. They're always too busy.
By
aren't
the
they?
way, Mum, can we go bowling today?
Not today, love. It's quite late now.
Tomorrow?
You're at school,
The day after?
aren't you? So,
I went bowling on a school day before.
no, we'll have to see. I wouldn't have thought tomorrow though. Maybe another day. Because if we wanted to do that, we'd have to go and get started first and do it after that, wouldn't we?
Yeah. Now we see the boy.
They're getting confident, aren't they? Whoa, get away, what was that? Big blooming moth.
A moth. I've never been here before.
Where you at? Well, you know where we are when you get round the corner.
And is that IKEA?
Hmm? No. Right, come on. Round here. Come on, Michael.
Why is there a pair of gloves there? Why is there a pair of gloves?
You go around this way and down there if you like. Put your tablet away now for a bit.
I need to finish this video. Like if you think I should continue recording, or dislike if you think I should stop recording.
Well, I would just put it in there. Put it away for now. Yeah? If I were you, I wouldn't bother getting conquered this year.
Why?
Because you didn't do anything with it last year. It was a bit wasteful. So I found them in a big bag down by the bin. Loads of them that we got. I didn't realise we'd picked so many actually.
I didn't know. Is this cement?
Don't know, but come off it. In case your feet set into it.
Right, it's cement. Right, it's cement, isn't it?
There's a big concrete tree. Oh, do you know we found these were on the last year, Ed? We didn't know, did we?
And I'm going to be doing. I will be doing.
I don't know why they're picking them yet, actually. They're not working.
Hello, so. Oh. I will be doing my Hell in a Cell predictions later as the
Yeah,
second
look,
video.
look at
The skits have. I've just moved the skits over to next Saturday because I'm giving my Hell in a Cell predictions. Hell in a Cell WWE Hayak predictions. Don't want to get demonetized.
must be closed on Sunday too.
I just realised this video's been going on for 8 minutes now.
I don't know why you don't stick it in your back for now then.
Because I'm recording stuff.
Okay.
Sometimes you need to keep recording until you get tired, until you think the video there's a good space to end. You know what I'm saying?
I know what you're saying, yeah.
And is it just me, or does this truck look like?
That is always there, isn't it? That?
Suspi-
You noticed it's been there for years. Well, for a long time. Anyway.
It suspiciously looks like the one we went round earlier. I'm gonna go and check.
Green or something.
No.
Oh, it's with them actually.
Nope, I thought we were going round in circles.
No.
And when are we going home?
Well, when we go over that bit, then we find the little quick there. That I couldn't find last time, remember? That was the problem.
Yeah. And I would make videos of me at school, but they don't allow tablets.
I know. Well, you can understand that, really. Can't you? Kind of, yeah?
No.
I can't. I don't think any of you would get any work done if that was the case. Do you?
They allow
Look at
fidget.
the colour of that, look. That red one. That lady wasn't there. We could put it out for yourself.
I will be giving my
I
help.
like that yellow one there.
Do you?
There. Behind you.
Yeah, that looks nice.
Can't go across there.
And then the second video today will be a WWE Hell in a Cell predictions with my dad, because why not? And you will see the punishment for this month.
Wait a minute. Alright, you're right. Oh, is he? Are you very grumpy?
This is a good spot. This.
Mail, you see, there we are.
You too.
I think. Oh, there we are.
So,
You big grump. Oh,
this is the first time I've been recording videos outside of my house.
See you later. Come on then.
It's nearly time to wrap up this video. Nearly time to wrap up this video. Then. Okay, guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. If you don't have any, everyone has friends. Bye.